What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play 30 for 30 by SZA featuring Kendrick Lamar. And here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. So as you can see, you do not need a capo for this song, and you need to know 3 chords. And those 3 chords are G sharp minor 7, E major 7, and F sharp 7. Alright, and here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. So first chord is a G sharp minor 7, and how you play this chord is you're going to bar the 4th fret, and you put your finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Second chord is an E major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is F sharp 7, so we're barring the 2nd fret and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the G string and the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. And that's the chord progression for the entire song. Now when it comes to a 4 count, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay? When it comes to the plucking pattern, it's really simple. So what I'm doing here is I'm playing the G sharp minor 7. I'm not even using my ring finger on the 6th fret. I'm really just plucking the low E string, D, G, and B. So it'll sound like this. It's almost like a staccato type vibe. And when it comes to the E major 7, I'm just plugging the 4 middle strings once, and I'm doing the same thing for the F sharp 7. And then back to the G sharp minor 7. Okay, so you do that through the entire song, you're gonna be good. So that's how you play it. Alright, y'all, that was a quick, easy, and simple one. I hope that this tutorial added value to you. It helped you out in some sort of way. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below. What's your favorite song off of this deluxe album? Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that might want to learn this song so the algorithm could do its thing. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, if you want more tutorials like this. And right now, there's going to be a video that's popping up on your screen. If you liked this tutorial, check out my other tutorial on Saturn, and I will see you guys on the next video.